inches of water. My phone.
Oh my god.
Still works though. It's weird. It's bigger than a T5.
How to take apart a BlackBerry Storm. First, find the matching screw. As soon as you find that matching screw, you're ready to move on to step number 2.
It's weird, dude. Why is this fitting weird?
Brown bread?
Oh, it's bigger. 6?
It is a T6, not a T5 screw.
Is it T6?
No, it should be T5.
You sure? It
Why
won't
won't
fit.
fit?
Yeah. You're recording this right now.
How to take apart your 9530.
Oh, dude, look. Just like the guys.
Just like the guys.
Oh, do you have a pen? I gotta take this thing out.
I do. What kind of pin?
You know that?
Like a thumbtack pin?
No, like a safety pin.
Do we have safety pins?
Take that thing out.
Do we have safety pins? Let's go look for a safety pin. Don't show your face. Going to get the safety pin. Nice.
You have a thin blade.
Yeah. Knife?
Really thin. Pry this cover on.
Like an X-Acto knife? Thin?
Yeah.
X-Acto knife.
This wretched. No wonder this thing costs $14. Canadian Tire.
Canadian Tire, $14. And we'll be back with part 2 soon.
What? That's right, man. This guy knows what he's talking about.
What are you trying to do?
I have to take it apart. I think there's water in it. It keeps shutting off on me randomly.
What are you going to open?
You know.
Instructional video on how to take apart a phone. I'm going to upload it.
Where's the other part that I'm supposed to rip off? This?